got two pickups here. Today is gonna be a long day. Such a cloudy day. Apparently, not supposed to be raining the whole day. It looks like. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kemi. So back to another video. There's UberEats and probably Cornershop later on. We'll see. But Doordash does disappoint me. What's going on here? I just wanted to pass right there, but it seems like some stuff is happening here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right there. Two pickups here. Awesome, thank you. You too. And today I started a video earlier, 10. It's been a while. I haven't done morning deliveries, but we're back. I was able to sleep early last night, took a good sleep, so today is gonna be a long day. Oh, okay, alright. Thank you. Okay, because on this side was even number. So I need to take on the side of odd numbers. Okay, I think it's here. Oh, no problem. Malik, yeah. No problem. Time to pick up another one. That's $6. Zukido. That's the name. I'm just gonna decline. It's $2 for 2 kilometers. Pick up for this one.
So it's both of these. The one in the it's both of these, and then the one in the plastic bag has drinks.
Oh,
inside,
okay.
But they're sealed.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
You too. Hopefully the button works. Oh no, I have to go to the concierge again. See if they can buzz me in again to 11th floor. Oh shit, this one looks really good. Take that. Couple minutes? Like two? Two each?
Yeah, 2 or 3, yeah. I just feel like
Alright, just pick it up. Ready to pick up another one? Alright, I believe that's my
So you
order.
just take it?
Thank
Turn right onto Hume Lane, then your destination will be on the right.
Nope. Hello.
Michael, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Can't complain. It's a better day than yesterday.
Yeah, right? Like,
Yeah, yesterday was so hot. and-
so hot. Super. There you go, boss.
Awesome. Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. check it out now. Charlie dies now.
Yeah, just.
Hello, just right there, right? Thank you. Next one, Planta Burger Financial District. Temperance. Foi, fica por näher ali.
I cannot get to the phone right now. Please leave me a message after the beep.
Can't be, man.
Hello?
Hello? Hi, I'm been waiting here outside the building. It's UberEats.
Oh, yeah, I'm just coming. Sorry.
Okay,
Give me a second.
no problem.
Sorry, I was just in a conversation with my VP and I was like, I don't know who's calling. Thanks a lot.
No
Take care,
problem.
have a good day.
You too. So yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Food is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Thank you. Go, Jen.
Hello, just wait for Danielle.
F6.
Thank you.
For 5. And then
Thank you. Oh, the little soups. Hello. Yes, pull over. Two. Okay. Thank you. Oh yes. Sorry. Two bags. Oh, Chelsea, eh?
Yeah.
You're a Chelsea fan?
I'm actually a Manchester fan.
Oh, come on.
But I like their kit.
Eh?
I like their jersey.
Oh, you like the jersey? Yeah, I'm a Chelsea fan.
You guys are in good form.
Yeah, you guys are really, I don't know, the transition.
Yes.
How is it gonna be? You trust the new coach, new manager?
I don't think so because he is just overconfident, I think.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh yeah, for 100%. You put it in the box, you will score.
Yeah, he was good. But Manchester United player cannot pass the ball into the box.
Yeah, yeah. All right, take care, brother. Oh, this one will be fun. I'm not getting any older here. Quite slow. After that good order, nothing else. Oh, actually, yeah, I declined one, which was bringing me to an area that I didn't want to be. Because I knew, first of all, the money was a little bit lower. It's like $5 to a location that you have to come back again here in the restaurant zone, not to get another order. So